Hey guys, this is Josh Check here and welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here a new product from Awei and we're going to do the unboxing and our initial review. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we're very happy because we have here another product from Awei and it's actually their latest headphones. And here it is guys, the AT20 headphones in flash, the ANC plus ANC noise reduction, spatial audio, 5 mics, hybrid ANC. Without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay, let's open this one. All right, let's open this one. This certain. Ooh, I like the packaging. And okay, let's set this one aside. And we have here inside the cloth, and I believe to be where you put your headphones. Okay, let's put them in. So let's check our AT20 Awei headphones. Thank you, Awei, for sending us this product. My first impression, it looks really nice. Can you see? There, on the sides, it looks really premium with the Awei branding. Okay, and we have here the headphone kind of cushion. So we have here the left and the right, so you shouldn't have any problem wearing them. Where's the right? Because it's so big, the letters, and you can actually adjust them like this. Yes, and you can even also change these sides there. Okay, we have here the different buttons. Okay, the volume rocker, the power on and switch button, and we have here the charging port sides. So I'm gonna test this one guys, and I'll let you know my impression about these headphones. So I'll be right back. And yes guys, so I'm actually done testing our A20 Awei microphone or headphones, and all I can say guys, it's really great. And actually I was listening to golden music, and it's really that has immersive experience. And yes guys, if you're really interested with our Awei AT20, so check the link in the description box, and you can also check in our link here. So guys, what are you waiting for? You'd better check our AT20 headphones right now. And guys, if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and we'll see you guys in our next video.